Ever wondered what makes a website easy to explore? Today, I'll show you the essential sections every website uses flow, from the header to the footer. Before we break down a website, let's start with the basics. Every site is made of key sections that guide visitors. Let's start with the header, the very top section visitors see on any website. It usually includes your logo and main menus.
Let's look at the navigation menu, the part that helps visitors move around your site. These links guide users to your important pages with a single click.
Now let's explore the hero section, the large, eye-catching area at the top of the page. This is where you grab attention with a main headline, visuals. Next up is the About section, and this is where you tell visitors who you are and what your site is about. Now, let's check out the Services or Features section, where you highlight what you offer. This section clearly showcases your main services. Another key area is the Contact section, where visitors can contact you easily. This section includes your contact details or social media links. Finally, let's look at the footer, the bottom section that wraps up your website. It usually includes contact links and policy pages.
Thanks for watching HMA Web Design. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments.